Take you outside and have a look at the garden. If I can, open it. There we go, we've got a lovely spring day here. I've never known it so quiet, it's absolutely fantastic. You'll have to excuse my shadow as I walk around. This is one of the Mahonias, a later version. I have to remind myself we're still in March. Oh, look at the roses. And this one here, that grows at the side of the door, has actually got buds on it. Whether you'll see those anemones there. And of course, that's the Belfast sink with the cactus. It's awful trying to keep out of the sunlight. I do apologise. This one here, I don't know, you'll see it's got lots of buds coming through. That's the forget-me-nots. You can actually hear the birds singing. There's the other standard rose. A little campanula there growing. It's beautiful and warm today, it's lovely. This one, let me show you this one if I can show you. Well, it'll lift its head up. No, it's not going to do it that way. I'm going to have to stand here and lift it up for you. There. Look at that one. Absolutely gorgeous. We've got wallflower in bloom. This is the elder that Keith chopped down. And this is the tree peony. Look at that one, it's starting to break open there, but we have got very, very cold weather coming this weekend. So that'll stop it in its tracks. You'll see now there's one or two little burnt bits where we've had a couple of nights frosts. And we've had to replace the archway because the other one disintegrated, so we've moved one from the garden here and put it here. But everything's coming awake, all the shrubs and everything. And I'll take you around the back garden now. This is the view that you're used to seeing, just outside the back door. And look how everything's started to burst into life. All the nice primulas. tulips peeping through. These are the white ones, the denticulatas, or we call them white bobs. And there we've got tulips coming up in between. These are the lilies, and I've been looking for there's one, get him, kill him. The lily beetle, sorry about that. You can't leave them on, the little red back ones. Get them in your finger and kill them. That's that azalea coming through nicely. That's one of the M.E.s just waking up. It's that quiet now, I'm having to whisper. I think there's a lot of tadpoles, but the water's diminishing. We haven't had rain for a few days. And some of the camellias are now going over. But that's that white clematis, the very highly scented one, it's lovely. And I'll show you the other side of this garden when I walk round. That's the other M.E.s. And those are the buds on the rhododendron. Lots of primulas. That's I don't know what they call it, the botanical name, but we call it the water buttercup. Look, just coming through, but then what you get, these weeds. I've been out the front this morning and filled half a bucket with them, so I should be out here later. So this is the other side from the front, and which is the side garden. This is the contorted hazel. I've weeded here a bit this morning. Some lovely tulips. And that's the view from the gateway here. So as we move along, that's the side of the house. And we've sat there this morning and had a nice drink. That's the mock orange there. That's the Dendrobium delicatum. Comes out every day and goes in the garage at night still, because we're still getting down to very low temperatures. Some magnolia just waking up. That's a forsythia. And as we look, half the back garden's in shade. There we go. We've got lots of tulips and daffodils to open yet. We've got some more lilies coming through here, so just having a look to see if I can find any more of those red beetles. Another clematis flower in there, got a bud on it. And now we come back into the sunshine. These are the pansies that were in last winter. And all carried away, and they've survived the winter and given a lovely display. There are some more lilies, and that's another acer, just beginning to wake up. This is that big tree. Now the labels come off it. Flamingo, I think it is. This is the acer that's waking up. And again, we've got bulbs coming through the garden here. Lots of primulas. I love primulas. Absolutely love them. And this is the little wall with some of the pots on them. And inside the cold frame, some more lilies, some sweet peas there at the back, and these are freesias. And these are all seeds, but nothing's happening yet. Oh, I can just see one tiny little seed down there. These need watering. These are all to burst open yet. Absolutely fantastic. I've never known it's so peaceful. There's another little primrose. Wallflowers to open. Again, I'm in the wrong light. I do apologise. Don't know if you're going to see that there. That's a wallflower. These are the parrot type tulips, the very big headed ones. There's a nice one. The grape hyacinth here. And that's the clematis. That's that shrub that's behind the seat where the other archway used to be, where we've chopped down that big conifer. And buddleia, that's right. There's that rose. Lots more tulips down there to come out. And if we look here, you'll see the extent of the berberis. There we go. Now will it adjust as I sit here? It's very warm here. Absolutely gorgeous. Even the old-fashioned rose canary bird is breaking into leaf. And you'll come to this area, that's the iris, and these are the ones, I never remember what they're called. Oh, a weed, and another weed. But no sign of the hostas yet. And if we walk around this way, some more primroses, some heather, primroses. I call them primroses when they're short-stemmed, and primulas, I think primulas, and the longer-stemmed ones, I call them primroses. There we've got another one, you see. I'm just taking you back this way because I wanted to show you some auriculas that are flowering. These are auriculas, but there's no sign yet of flowers. But I've got the others on the wall, and some of them have started to bloom. There we go. That one's called believe it or not. There we go. Ruddy duck. Oh dear, a little bit of traffic. So, these are the lovely white ones. I think these I think they're called paper whites, I'm not sure. We've got some in this tub here. And we've got a lovely, I can't even remember what this one's called. Comes out in the spring. This is the old archway that fell down with the winter. There's another one. So I'm going to take my leave of you now as we manoeuvre round. And I just thought I'd bring the garden to everybody, especially those who haven't got a garden. I mean, we're so lucky because we can come out into the garden. There's the bees. We can come out into the garden, we can sit and have a drink and don't have to worry about social distancing. Again, that's that nice terracotta pot of tulips, and as I walk you to the back door, I'll turn round and bid you all a good day. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Bye-bye now.